Been a long time.
Wait, let's talk to now then. Take a picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Technical doctor. Oh, what's this? Are you so handsome?
Yes, because you're my father.
You too, my son. You are handsome.
Really? Okay then. Wow, I'm so hungry.
Yeah, me too, father. I'm so hungry.
And what you want to eat?
Street foods, right?
Yes, tempura and
Kwek and fishball. Yes.
Over there. Let's go.
Let's go, we'll buy it for
Let's
you.
go.
Okay.
Let's go.
A few moments.
Hey, Chris, how's your school last week?
Oh, I guess it was alright, father. There's a lot of school activities, but it was alright.
Oh, that's good. How about you, Laika?
Me, I'm so tired and stressed because my teachers gave us so many assignments and projects, and we need to pass it immediately. So I want to give up. I'm so tired.
Thanks, B. Just don't give up. Keep up the good work you've done so far.
Yeah, just give up.
You're so sweet,
I mean,
Father.
no. I mean, just don't give up.
It's so sweet of you, Father. I'm so lucky that I have a sweet family like you.
Yeah, we're also happy because we have you.
Yes,
네 눈앞에 왔잖아 내가 여기 있잖아 너의 입술로 말을 해줘 Say yes 나도 모르게 너에게 가고 있나 봐 부는 바람에 내 맘 전할래 Love is true
간지럽게만 느껴지던 눈빛이
Where's Carl?
I thought you are with him.
I don't know. Can you tell him to go here so we can hang out?
Alright.
Oh, you are here. Where have you been, Carl?
I was in a canteen, then you know what?
What?
I saw a pretty girl, then it stopped my world.
Wait. You can't even compete to my crush. My crush is more gorgeous.
Then, have you seen her?
No, but I think she's more gorgeous.
Then,
Stop, bro. Study first before you love.
that's right, Najib. They like us.
A few moments.
Sige, so thank you.
Oh, it's time already.
Let's go to our classroom.
Yeah, we should.
Tara!
太くてんだ忘れない愛を歌うようにね回り出した